Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Where are we at, Danny?
Today we are at the Kringles Christmas Land in Jenks, Oklahoma.
This is going to be a quick pit stop, but it's definitely something that you need to check out. So let's go adventuring.
Kringles Christmas Land is a 25-minute drive straight south of downtown Tulsa, located in a cozy Jenks neighborhood. The house gained its fame after appearing on the Great Christmas Light Fight and winning it in 2020. It was the first house in Oklahoma to win this distinction. Congrats, guys! The trophy is showcased next to the vintage, hand-painted, and animated characters dating back to the 1950s. If you and your family are planning a little outing to go see all the pretty lights out there, it will be on display from now until December 31st, so you have some time. Stop by and visit anytime between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. Have you visited Kringles Christmas Land before? If so, we'd love for you to leave a comment telling us what your favorite part of the experience was. Last year was our first Christmas in Tulsa, and a lot of people suggested that we stop by and see this, even if we just drive by if it was too cold for us, but we definitely loved it so much that we had to go this year, so we highly suggest going and checking this out. It is very festive, it is so fun, and we think everyone in your family will enjoy it. If you are looking for updates on Kringles Christmas Land, you can follow them on Facebook and on Instagram to see what's happening.
Adventurers, this concludes our pit stop to Kringles Christmas Land.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.